Hola everyone, it's me, Spicy. Welcome. On this week's vlog, I have some footage from 2 of my latest summer markets, other random little snippets from the past 2 weeks, and a glimpse of a hurricane as it came through the area. Earlier this week, I decided to scan a few of my older pieces, that's what you're looking at right now, and a few of my newer paintings as well, from tons of my different sketchbooks, whether it be multimedia or mixed media or just regular old, pens and papers. I started to experiment with how they were gonna look like as maybe mini prints to maybe sell them at my tables for some of my original artworks. And then I thought, as I started seeing more and more of them on my sketchbooks and started scanning more, I thought it would be pretty cool to have them as a collection and sell them possibly as a small zine, like a little sketch zine. I figured this needed a little bit more planning than I initially thought. So I was like, okay, well, I'll make sure to document that and possibly work on it over the next few weeks and keep you guys updated as to how it looks. Right now, you're just basically going to be seeing just me messing around with some of these scans and cleaning them up. And this is what they look like as basically mini prints on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So this is from my art stream on Twitch. If you guys, are on Twitch, you guys can follow me on there if you'd like, and I do some of these art streams in between gaming streams as well. But let's move right along, shall we? Okay, first things first, we're gonna talk about one of our local summer markets. Now I'm gonna let you guys know right now that the clip that's coming up is the only footage I took from the first market due to how disappointed we were with the event. The event venue had really great potential due to its beauty with the big shady trees, the water feature, and live music stage, but the venue's location and the organizers' lack of experience were the direct reason for its zero turnout. Now, the event is located directly in front of the courthouse and city hall, which people don't normally visit that part of town at all on the weekends, mainly because it's usually closed during the weekend anyway. So the marketing was really crucial, which of course there was none of, hardly. It was a disappointing event, but we enjoyed the shade and the view. Yeah, it just made me sad that it could have been a nice event. We did do some in-person marketing. So we got to meet other vendors who did purchase from us, but that's about it. This did bring up a conversation between my sister and I, though. We ended up talking about how we basically, it's very important for us to check on the social media engagement for these events, because if they're found through Facebook, which is more local marketing and whatnot, if they don't have any engagement from customers or anything like that, or any people wanting to attend, then it's pretty much a big tell that it's going to be a bad event, or there's not going to really be a turnout. Feel free to use that as a tip if you'd like.
Here we go!
View from behind the booth. Got a little gap here. See customers. Others. This market, it was so scorching hot that it actually ended up finishing up early. It closed 2 hours before than it was supposed to, just because of how hot it was. But we made basically our sales at the very end of the day anyway, so that was good. I'm trying not to move. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon, I hope.